Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft People for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 8, import a contact using a CSV file. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school, or business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to Applications, go to All Applications, scroll to Explore all the applications. Now let's go to Microsoft People. Let's just wait for that to load. And now what we would like to do is import a contact. So what we would do is go to Contacts, and then we would go to Manage Contacts, import the contact, which will then ask us to upload the CSV file. So what we will do is minimize Chrome for the moment. Now let's go to the folder on the desktop where we have a CSV file. If I right click on this and open up with Excel, this will then allow us to create a contact, which we will do. So let's now maximize the Excel file. I'll just remove the third line. And we already had a downloaded CSV file from Microsoft People, so we will just use this as a blueprint to import contacts. So first name, let's just type the first name is hello, the surname is also hello. So what we will do is we will save this file itself. Let's save as to the desktop. Click on save. So that has now been saved to the desktop. We can now quit Excel. Let's now go down to the dock, go to Google Chrome, browse the CSV file which we have on the desktop, contacts.csv. Click on open, import. Looking good, one contact was imported. Let's click on close. And now hello that we created should have been imported within Microsoft People. What we can do is re-edit the CSV file on Excel, save that, and then re-upload to Microsoft People. And that's how you import a contact to Microsoft People using the CSV file. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.